you don't plan for injuries, but you back the guys that are back home doing the work to, if they get the call up to come and do the job. So we've got some exciting new talent as well as a couple of our old boys coming back into the frame. So it's just about us doing the job on the day. We came down to a couple of defining moments on the weekend, and we probably let I guess those teams in a little bit, and that was pretty much what cost us the tournament. So hopefully we'll do basics well this weekend and put up this one forward. Yeah, well, I mean, Scott Curry is the captain, and obviously he took his injury, and then I just assumed that Tim Mickelson would fill the void, and obviously he got injured, so here I am back again in front of the camera, and I guess I'm fortunate enough to have a bit of experience in this captaincy role, so I'll hopefully get to steer the ship this weekend, and be praying for a speedy recovery for some of our boys that were injured last week, because it was probably half our leadership boys all went home with injuries. So it's going to be a tough ask this weekend, but just excited about some of the new talent that's coming through and got to get a taste of finals footy last weekend. I think that's it. If you look, I guess at the true critics of the game, every team that plays us, lifts their game by 50%, and then they might go and play another country and they drop off simply because it's not a black jersey. So as far as we're concerned, we take pride out of that, but it means that we have to be on top of our game every game, 6 times a weekend. So if we're off the pace, these teams are just waiting for that, and a lot of those, or a couple of the teams capitalised on that on the weekend. So as far as I'm concerned, that comes off the jersey, and we just need to be able to step up to the occasion. So this weekend, it's year 7, you don't have to wait too long. Just wait, 5 days, and we're back into action. So excited about the opportunity.